5 things to know before getting a divorce in Ontario during the pandemic. Welcome, I'm Russell Alexander. First is get your technology in order. The new normal for most lawyers and courts are virtual hearings and settlement conferences. This means you will need to learn and get familiar with Zoom and other related technologies. And you are going to need a good internet connection. There are Zoom tips, best practices, and protocols you should review in advance, and the court still requires a decorum and respect and professionalism. Tip number 2, getting your matter before a judge may not be easy. The courts are still implementing new technologies for online filing and remote or virtual court attendances. There may be new rules, forms, and deadlines that need to be followed. In addition, the court is still dealing with a significant backlog of cases that were canceled in the spring when we went into lockdown and isolation. Tip number 3, there is always lots of ways you can settle the terms of your divorce outside of the court system. Alternative dispute resolution professionals, mediators, arbitrators, and collaborative practice lawyers continue to settle cases on a daily basis. One family recently settled the terms of their divorce in under 7 days. Once you negotiate your agreement, the terms of your settlement can be filed with the court at a later date if necessary. Tip number 4, patience is the new currency of the pandemic. You will need to be patient with your ex, your children, the professionals you engage to help you through the divorce process. Sometimes technology doesn't work, and remote court hearings or settlement conference meetings need to be rescheduled. Homeschooling, spouses working from home, and everyone out of their daily routines, such as sleep, exercise, and diet, to name a few, creates added pressure and stressors. Patience will go a long way to easing some of these pressures and will help alleviate some of the stress of divorce. Our 5th and final tip, be practical. Try to accommodate your ex and the ever-changing needs of your children, schooling, work environments, and your family. Taking a practical approach and putting your children's interests first will often result in an acceptable result to whatever issues you may face. Having control over the outcome will also be more satisfying. Instead of leaving decisions about your income, property, custody, and care of your children to a third-party stranger, such as a judge who may never meet your children and probably never will, or an arbitrator. That may result in an outcome that seems unfair and not suitable to your family. Taking a practical approach to your divorce will help you control and shape the outcome. Please like this video. You can comment in the box below. You can share it. You can subscribe by hitting the bell below to find out more about our videos. The comments that you leave below, we'll try to endeavor to answer those each week. Until next time, I'm Russell Alexander.